Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today I'm here to explain about Lubing.com reviews. Friends, in this video, I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. And in case if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. Friends, this is not a website and this is the homepage of this website. It is an online shopping store based in United States that deals with multiple products including men's shoes, smoking sets, men's clothing, women's shoes, women's clothing, makeup kits, makeup products, tools and theme-based Christmas items. And guys, the prices of these offerings are too good to be true. You can take a look at the homepage of this website. Now let's take a look at the payment information, and according to the website details, the modes of payment available on the website are Discover, PayPal, MasterCard, Visa, etc. And let's check out the shipping policy of this website. So guys, for shipping policy, you need to visit the delivery option. Here you can see the standard shipping duration will be 3 to 15 working days. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to hit the like button, share the video with your loved ones and subscribe our channel. And I'm going to discuss those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit website. So guys, this website is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, but you can see the site may contain potential risk notification, which is not a good sign. Apart from that, let's talk about the domain information. And the domain name was created on 26th of August 2020, which is too young to be trusted. So guys, we can't trust on this website as this is a newly launched website. So let's check out the About Us section of this website. But you can see no About Us section is available on this website, which is again a bad sign. And let's move on to the contact details of this website. They have mentioned contact number and email address, but yes, they have not provided the official address details, which is a negative sign. And guys, the email which is given on this web page matches with the domain name, which is a good sign. But you should also know that most of the problematic sites use emails starting with customer support, online and service, etc. So be aware of this factor. Now, this is not enough to judge its legitimacy. We need to talk about the social media presence and many other factors. So guys, talking about the social media presence, the site has no social media presence at all, which is a big negative sign. And let's check out the return or refund policy of this website. For that, you need to visit the returns and exchanges policy page. And guys, the website has mentioned 60 days return policy after the receipt of the product. Guys, do not forget to comment about your experience in refund or return of the product. And guys, talking about Lubing.com reviews, we have found no reviews about the site on the internet, as the trust index score of the site is 2%, which is really very bad, and the site seems to be not much popular online, and this website has too low traffic, or you can say none at all. So these are the loopholes that define its fakeness. And the website is not professionally managed, and yes, absence of complete contact details, zero social media presence, zero security measures, no about us page, and you can say unavailability of company's complete information. Poor design of website led to believers that it is a highly suspicious site and possibly a scam. And guys, if you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video guys, and please hit the like button, share the video and subscribe our channel to get more scam alert notifications. Be informed, be safe guys, and thanks for watching this video. Have a good day.